Hello my dear children, now we can study symmetry. It's very useful for your daily life. If you need to design something, the pattern, the ideas of symmetry is very useful for you. Now we can study. Symmetry. What is symmetry? This is symmetry, okay? If we draw a line, we will get the correct half of this part here. Okay, both sides will be equal in shape, angle and so on. Okay, that is the symmetry. For this triangle, it's an equilateral triangle. We can make this type of one symmetry, and this is passing through the middle of this opposite side. This is the median. Then here we can draw another one. So here also we can do another one. So here only one line, and here we can make 3 lines. If it is a isosceles triangle, okay. If it is an isosceles triangle, we will get 1 line of symmetry. Okay. But it is equilateral triangle. For equilateral triangle, 3 are there. Some shapes have only 1 line of symmetry, but some shapes have more than 1 line of symmetry. That is known as multiple lines of symmetry. For a circle, it's a circle. This is the center. Actually, this is diameter of the circle, okay. If we draw from here to there, this is the diameter. For this one, we can draw many symmetry lines for a circle. So, infinite number of lines are there for one circle. Infinite number of symmetry, axes of symmetry are there for circle. Okay, now this is the diameter also. Okay, for some triangles, that is isosceles triangle, this is the line of symmetry, and we have studied this will be the median because this is joining the correct middle of this opposite side. Okay, that is here. Opposite of this side. That is the correct middle will be there. So this will be the median, and this will be the altitude of this triangle. Also this will be the line of symmetry for this triangle. Clear? Some English letters have symmetrical shapes. That is, for H, we can draw a line here that will be make this H into 2 halves. Okay. Then if we draw here, we will get another half also. Clear? So H is carrying 2 lines of symmetry. 2 lines. But for S, can we draw here a line, or is it possible to draw here? No, but S, we can't draw a line of symmetry. But for S, we can make the line symmetry by rotating this one. Now this position is like this way. Now we can change this one. Just we can turn. Now we got another position. If we turn it again, we will get S. Okay. So this way we can make the symmetry. This is known as rotational symmetry. Okay. Now it's correct. We got the shape itself. But for H, we can draw this line of symmetry. Also we can rotate it. This way we can rotate. Then we can rotate it. Again we can rotate. Then we can rotate. Clear for you? So some letters have line of symmetry, also rotational symmetry, but for some shapes only rotational symmetry. Okay. Then for a square, we can draw here and here. This is the intersecting point of this square. So that is known as the center of rotation. Center of rotation. Clear? So we can say, where is the center of rotation of a square? The intersecting point of diagonals. Okay, some shapes. In case of equilateral triangle, here we can draw. Again here we can draw. Okay, then here also we can draw. So these three are medians. So for a equilateral triangle, center of rotation, where is the center of rotation? That will be the intersecting point of medians. Clear? Here this is the intersecting point of medians. For a square, we can mark a point here. So now we can rotate it. Okay. First, while rotating, this point will be here. Okay, this is the first one position. Then after this rotation, the point will be here. Next, we are going to rotate once more. Then here will be the next position. Okay, then again we can rotate. Rotate means we are turning this one to, that is from here, this is the first position. Then after this we can do like this way, then again like this way. Okay, now here will be the point. Okay, then again this one will be the next point. Where will be the point? Here will be the point. Now the point is in correct position. That is, for this P or this dot, 4 rotations are there. How many? 4 rotations. Then we can say this is the first one, then second, third and fourth. That is 90 degree. Then up to here that is 180 degree. That is 270 degree. Here 360 degree. For complete rotation, 360 degree is the angle. For half rotation, half turn, that will be 180 degree. For quarter turn, that will be 90 degree. Then for 3/4 turn, that will be 270 degree. Then full rotation, that will be 360 degree. Okay, if we are rotating one square, we know that is 4 order of rotation. That is 4 times. Okay. Then what will be the angle of rotation? We know that the complete angle will be 360 degree. Then 360 divided by 4. This order of rotation, that will be 90 degree. If we want to know about the order of rotation, the angle is there. Then 360 divided by 90. That will be 4. 4 is the order of rotation. Then angle of rotation will be 90 degree. Clear for you? Then for a rectangle, 2 will be the order of rotation. That is here. Then next one here. Then third will be here. So order of rotation will be 2. Then angle of rotation 360 divided by 2 is equal to 180 degree. Clear? So This way we can find out the order of rotation and angle of rotation. Clear? Now we can draw the axis of symmetry of each shape. Here we need to think about these dots. Okay, here two dots are there. When we make this one into half, we have to get these two sides dots itself. Okay, so we can't draw here. So at the time here this is not the correct symmetry of this shape. Okay, here these two dots are here, so we can make it here. So for here, clear you? So this one here 4 are there, but we can go through this. Okay, 4 are there. So here also we can do, here also. But for this shape, here 1 will be there and here 2 are there. So we can't do here. We can't do here. Okay. But one way is we can make this like this way. So this is the axis of symmetry of this shape. Clear? Here, which of the following figures have rotational symmetry of order more than 1? So for here we can say figure A, here will be rotational symmetry. How many will be there? 4 will be there. For B, 3 will be there. Okay. Then here, when we change this to here 2 times, then here the order of rotational symmetry will be 1. Okay. For here will be 2 and so on. Okay. Now here give the order of rotational symmetry of each figure. Here 2 times will be there. Here again 2, then 3, like that way. Clear? I think you got more ideas about this symmetry. Thank you.